Hi there, it's me, Teacher Mike from Phuket Pals. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to teach you something very, very important, okay? It's all about avoiding generalizations. Now, if you don't know what a generalization is, I'm sure when you're writing your discussion essays, you may have done this yourself, okay? It means that you state something to be like a general truth or a fact when it's not. If that confuses you, when I give you my examples here, you'll understand, don't worry. This is also known as hedging your language or softening your language. And it's really, really, really useful when you are doing discussion essays for task 2. This is a mistake many of my students make. And if you want to get over kind of band 7.5, this is a very useful video for you to improve your writing style. Okay, let's have a look. For example, here are examples of generalization. This should make it clear. Living in other countries is difficult. Living in other countries is difficult. Is it always difficult? No. Okay, so what the student has done here is they're stating something to be generally true, which isn't a fact. Okay, it isn't always the case that living in other countries is difficult. Okay, so the second example here is students studying abroad get homesick for many reasons. Students studying abroad get homesick for many reasons. Is that always the case? Do students always get homesick when they study abroad? No, of course they don't. They don't. Okay, so you can't make a statement like that as being a fact when in fact it's not a general truth. It doesn't always happen like that. So this is a sign of weak writing. And when you have to write the discussion essay or discussion essay with opinion in task 2 for IELTS, you'll find that you have to, it's very easy to fall into the trap of generalization. I don't want you guys to do that. So how do we fix it? That's the question. There are 3 different ways that you can do this. Fix 1, fix 2, and fix 3. Fix 1 is you can use statements such as this. Generally speaking, can be, in many cases, for many, in many instances, tend to be, or tend not to be. Okay, so let's apply that to statement 1 up here. Generally speaking, living in other countries is difficult. That's good. Living in other countries can be difficult. Okay. In many cases, living in other countries is difficult. Okay. Living in other countries tends to be difficult. Or living in other countries tends not to be difficult for some. Okay, so you can say by using these phrases here, we soften the language. We stop generalizing and our writing sounds more academic. Okay, remember this is an academic writing exercise, so we want to make our writing as formal and as ticking all the boxes for formality as we can. Fix 2, you can use words like could, may, might, and can. Okay, so students studying abroad could get homesick for many reasons. Students studying abroad may get homesick for many reasons. Students studying abroad might, can get homesick for many reasons. Okay, fix 3, you can use the word that. Okay, now that is it's very useful in the discussion essay, I think. And you can use phrases like this. It is sometimes argued that. Okay, so that shows that you're saying that other people sometimes argue this. Okay, it is sometimes argued that. It could be argued that. Okay, or many people believe that. Okay, so you can use these phrases as well when you're writing your discussion essays, and it will again make your writing a little bit more formal, more academic, and stop you kind of falling into a generalization trap. Okay, so just to recap, you can look at fix 1. Fix 1 for to fix the problem. Fix 2, we have our lovely words here. And fix 3 is using that. Okay, so I want you to incorporate these ideas into your essay practice. Okay, especially for the discussion essay. You will very quickly find that your writing seems more academic, more mature, and yeah, you'll get higher points as well. Okay, so I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Mike from PhuketPals.org. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.